Hello guys, today I'm going to talk to you today about how you can accomplish your goal. So my question is, what stops you? Why you are not taking initiative to reach your dream? What stops you? Is it money? Is it time? Is it lack of interest? What stops? You must identify and you see what you want to do. If you want to do something better, bigger, for your family, for your friend, for your loved one, then you must take action. What action should you take? At first, with your mind, want, what you want to do. Not always you want to do what you love. You sometimes need to do what you don't love to do, and then make a plan, and then gather knowledge. The reverse planning or reverse engineering, you must do this. First, you see what you want to achieve, and then from there, to achieve that goal, list what you need one by one, and then take down one by one, so that in 6 months, in 1 year, you can have a better life. You cannot change by working 9 to 5. You cannot change your life with just having just normal living. You must keep working hard until you get to your um, until your necessity made, and you become successful. Successful is not about money. Successful is about time freedom. So if you have a good time management, if you have a lot of time, so you can do what you love. You can do look after your parents. You can do more things. You can learn more things. You can do more things if you can set up um, free up your time. And then you you need to do one more thing. You must always keep doing what is your hobbies. Otherwise, you cannot keep up with the stress and the level of responsibility you'll have when you try to do something better and bigger. This is why, guys, wake up. Don't stay at home. Don't stay in the couch. Just don't go work and come back and sleep. Just do something.